Have you ever struggled to trace which invoice belongs to which vendor when everything's scattered in email or folders? In Odoo 19, you can fix that in seconds by linking documents directly to your vendor record. How and what? Here's how. Go to your Documents app, open the uploaded invoice, and click the contact field on the right. Select your vendor, like Test Vendor, and instantly, Odoo links this document to that vendor's profile. Under Linked Model, choose Purchase Order or Vendor Bill, so the file is now connected to a real accounting record. Now, go to your Accounting, Vendors, open Test Vendor, and under More, Documents, you'll see every linked invoice and bill stored in one place. No more digging through folders. Every invoice, quote, and receipt lives with its vendor record. This makes audits, bill reviews, and communication faster and cleaner. For more Odoo finance automation tutorials, subscribe to Katylinks.com